I had a lie-in this morning. A genuine, proper, full-on lie-in. And you think to yourself, wouldn't you? For someone who suffers from chronic fatigue, a decent lie-in would mean that he feels fantastic. And you would be 100% wrong. I have felt awful all day. I haven't had my nap. I've said this before, I'd be probably better off getting up at 7 o'clock, wandering around the house for an hour and going back to bed, rather than sleeping through and having loads of decent rest. Because I felt all day long I could have fell asleep, but I've not been able to because I've been working. And now I could easily just go home and fall asleep, but I'd be awake at 1 o'clock in the morning. So it's pointless. And I know when I get tired. I mean, I've got a blue badge. I am classed as disabled. Temporarily, hopefully, but I'm classed as disabled. But I think I carry it off quite well. I think if you saw me wandering around Tesco most of the time, you'd probably think, what's happened to him? Is he injured himself playing football or something? He looks like he's got a bad leg. I hold my basket in front of me, so I just look a little bit old and frail. But today, I have looked every inch the disabled man. I always go to the self-serve. I'd rather not, because you need to protect people's jobs and things, but I also need to do stuff. Practice being independent. Holding a basket, holding a bag. I've just stood there and my left hand has been shaking all over the place. Tried to hand something to the fella to get the tag taken off it. And as I'm doing it, my other hand's going mad, dropping stuff on the floor. Do you need a hand with that? Oh shit, man. No, I'll be alright, honest. What I need is, I was going to say I need a lie-in. I had a lie-in this morning, it hasn't helped. Just rest, isn't it? But I need loads of it. It must be something, it must be psychosomatic, I don't know. That thing about going back to sleep after you've been awake, that seems to be the trick. But then I've been too busy to do it today. Do I need to push harder at that? Absolutely 100% ensure that I do have my little nap. Just half an hour. Oh, I don't know, I'm so tired, man. I didn't sleep well last night, despite the fact that I had to lie in. Because I got cramp again in the stroke leg, which woke me up a couple of times during the night. That might be as well, quality of sleep. I need good quality sleep, and if I don't get it, it doesn't help. I think, was it windy again last night? I seem to remember that as well, just stopping me from dropping off straight away. Mad, man. Mad. Aching all over. There's nothing that's not in pain. Take all me pills, me tablets and everything. All the stuff they give me. I don't know. Is it the statins on top of the stroke recovery which is making stuff sore? I'm not pushing myself with the walking. Let's have a look. I don't even think I've got close to doing my stats. See, I can't even speak. I'm miles away from my daily target for the walk. And it's looking miserable, so I'm not sure I'll be out and about later. I might just have to jump on the treadmill for 5 minutes. As you can hear now, the rain's starting to come down. Miserable, miserable day. Last month, I was really pushing it. Doing well, doing loads of steps. Hit that monthly target on the app. I was going to say I felt great for it. I didn't. I felt a sense of achievement. And I will definitely have done myself some good. I'm not sure about feeling great. I've got to be able to do something now. I've got to start pushing it again, but not when I feel like this. I thought I had the balance perfect. apparently that was wrong. I haven't even been able to go and sit out in the back garden. Thought that might help. Have a cup of tea and sit in the garden of a morning. But when it was warm last week, when it was really warm, it was still really windy as well, which is not good. And then since it's calmed down a little bit with the temperature, it's just been like this, windy and rain, miserable. And we're almost a third of the summer through. June is almost done. It's felt like autumn the last few days, genuinely has. Oh man, and I think I might be just, I don't know, feeling a little bit low. Not just on energy, but mentally as well. I ended up on a phone call yesterday, so I couldn't pick my daughter up from work, which annoys me when that happens. Doesn't happen too often, but it does happen. Unfortunately, work and stuff has to come first. She knows that. So I was gutted, and then when I came to Tesco, she was in here with her mates, so I had a few minutes talking to her in the car, and that was enough to make me realise that I needed to see her. Cheered me up briefly, because I think, I don't know what it is. There's something which is making me feel a little bit off. But she's in work tomorrow morning, so I'll see her again, which will cheer me up. Looking forward to that. I don't know, what is it? You tell me. I'm not feeling down or depressed, but low, if that makes any sense. I'm low on energy. Is that then moving on into a low mood? Maybe it's all of it. It's that realisation that actually I am disabled, that it's not getting that much better at the moment. Just those little bits all on top of each other start making you feel a little bit not great, which is stupid because I know I'm in a fortunate position. There was other people in that ward with me in the hospital who were not in the same position I'm in now. There was people in there that never actually made it out on their own 2 feet. There's people who made it out into a hole in the ground. So I shouldn't be feeling like that, really, should I? Be thankful, which I am thankful for. But you can't control these things sometimes. What your mind starts doing to itself, what it starts telling itself. I don't know. Frustrated as well. I'd go and try and have a game of Call of Duty, but just that is completely and utterly knackered today. Not even with the best will in the world would I be able to pick up a PlayStation controller. So it's pointless even trying. I can't cannot even get me words out. I can't go in the back garden with the ball and just have a practice of kicking that because it's horrible out there. Can't play guitar. I need to find something. This helps. This helps in many ways. The process of just picking up a camera, pressing record and talking, going through the editing process, all that does help. But I need to find something else. Something else which is a stress reliever. Something I can do and concentrate on to take my mind off things, I don't know. Writing should have been it, but I'm really struggling to do that at the moment. Sat down to write some lyrics the other day and absolutely nothing would come at all. It's never been a problem in my life. I can sit down, I can write a song at the drop of a hat. write all the lyrics to it. Because I have a trick that I use. I'll come up with one line. Just one line, that's all it takes. Write that down, leave it, go back, look at the line, start writing, and I'll write an entire song. Then I'll read it, go back, and I'll change the first line. That really works well. But I've not been able to do that at all. Nothing. Nothing's working. Could I find something? No. Any suggestions? Put them in the comments below. What can I do to... Don't even know if it's starting the creative part of my brain. Don't even think it's that. It's just a stress relief. Something to concentrate on. Or even alternatively, just take my mind off everything. Gotta be something. It's amazing how much having two hands helps. I know it sounds like a really stupid thing to say. Obviously it does. No, but really, seriously. If you tried it one day, just strapped one of your arms to your side and then went about your daily business, just to see how much it affects you. I mean, everything. Literally everything. I can make a cup of tea one-handed. It's easier to make a cup of tea with both hands. But stupid things like that. Doing your washing. Can't do washing up. Can't wash dishes at all. I can throw things in the washing machine. That's not a problem at all. I can then move them from the washing machine to the tumble dryer. I can then move them into my washing basket and move that into my bedroom. What I can't do is stuff that can't be tumble dried. Loads of t-shirts and stuff like jeans, what have you. I don't even wear jeans, I don't know why I said that. Stuff that has to be either put on the washing line or on the maiden in the house. I can't hang anything up because you need two hands. Can't change my bedding. I can go around with the Hoover, but I've still got to be careful with that as well. My balance has been off. Been really bad the last week or so. I don't know if that's down to lack of sleep, lack of quality sleep. But I feel like I would have fallen over at any point. Come close a couple of times as well. Well, almost. I actually fell into the wardrobe last week. Because it was fairly close to me. I didn't actually fall over onto the floor. If the wardrobe hadn't have been there, I would have gone flat on my ass. It's not good. My legs are not good at all. The knee that I went to see the doctor with, the left one, the one that I injured playing football, which is also on the same side as the stroke affected side. And we said it was alright. That feels like it's going to fall apart at any moment. It probably won't, it's not made out of Lego, but it just feels really weak. Do I need to stick to doing 2,000 steps a day and instead of doing more steps, do more sit to stands? Do I need to build a muscle up? Or will that make it more painful? I don't know. I thought I knew what I was doing. I don't at the moment. Having a slight crisis. Don't even want to go home. This would be the perfect day to have a camper or something, wouldn't it? Go and drive somewhere, park up, have a sleep if I felt like it, stay awake if I felt like it, go for a walk if I felt like it, do some filming if I felt like it, anything that I wanted to. Because at the moment I don't know what I want to do. Stop moaning, you stupid old bastard. You're lucky to be alive. Do you know what? Fuck it. I am lucky to be alive. Go home and watch a film, I think. The new Wes Anderson film is available to buy, isn't it? I'll go and buy that. Have a nice glass of alcohol-free red wine. Watch a good film. Stop feeling sorry for myself. Yeah, come on, we can do this. We can do this.